In continuing coverage, we have more on the war of words that is continuing between Governor Gavin Newsom and Fresno County District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp.
Smitkamp responding to Newsom, inferring during a news conference that she, Smitkamp, bears part of the blame for the incident due to a botched prosecution of the suspect in a previous trial. CBS 47's Ben Morris joins us live in studio with the latest on the heated exchange.
Today, Newsom's camp says Smitkamp failed to charge 23-year-old Nathaniel Dixon properly for his prior offenses that he should have spent decades behind bars. Smitkamp says the governor is misinformed.
For the governor to come out and say that he was facing decades in prison, it's just ignorance. It's not true. It's incorrect information, and I don't know how to say that politely, so I just say it frankly. And, you know, I think we all know what this is. This is political grandstanding.
Smitkamp initially came out after Officer Carrasco's death with a statement that read, in part, every legislator in the state of California who supports this overreaching phenomenon they try to disguise as legitimate criminal justice reform has the blood of this officer on their hands. When asked for a response, Newsom delivering an explosive reaction of his own.
She should blame herself. I've been listening to this for years from her. She has the prosecutorial discretion. Ask her what she did in terms of prosecuting that case. I'm sick and tired of being lectured by her on public safety. Sick and tired. So with all due respect to her statement, she should be ashamed of herself and she look in the mirror.
Newsom's team followed up with a statement Thursday inferring that Dixon had not been properly prosecuted. It reads in part, at the time of his crimes, he was also under a domestic violence restraining order and had recently failed on probation for a prior strike conviction and armed robbery with a deadly weapon the year before. To which DA Smitkamp responded,
all I can say is this, is Governor Newsom needs to make up his mind. Either I'm a law and order DA who charges people and wants to send everyone to a prison, or I'm an incompetent district attorney who doesn't know what I'm doing. I mean, he's all over the place.
Smitkamp says 98 to 99% of court cases end in plea deals, just as this one did. Smitkamp says Newsom is a chief architect of the guidelines that freed Dixon years before his sentence was up.
He's out because he has the benefit of all of these, new found time credits. And for Gavin Newsom to try to purport that he is not a fan of early release from prison, it's mind-boggling to me. I can't come up with an intelligent response.
Smitkamp says politicians like Newsom have created a breakdown in California's penal system.
They might not be killing people. They might certainly not be killing police officers, but they're committing egregious crimes. And they're laughing at everyone in the system, thinking, oh, I'm just going to go back in and I'll be out as soon as I get in, I'll be out.
The DA also adding that those behind the early releases know exactly what they're doing.
These people who are doing this to California, they're not stupid. They know how to manipulate the system, and they're doing a damn good job. And so it's time for us to stand up, shine the light, and say enough is enough.
You can watch the full interview with DA Smitkamp on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. In the studio, Ben Morris, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
Ben, nice job. Thank you.